Hi friends, look, if you are following a keto diet, then it will help you to burn pounds of unwanted fat from your body. So it will burn fat as fuel. But if you are doing a aerobic exercise, then you might not get the health and weight loss benefit that you want. Especially if you are a keto novice, cardio will knock you out from ketosis. And ketosis is the desired metabolic state where you are burning fat for fuel. So if you are doing keto diet for a while, then cardio exercise will actually keep you away from getting into ketosis. Here is what happens when you do low intensity, long duration exercise like cardio, like jogging, morning walk, etc. For the 5 minutes or so, you actually burn carbohydrate, and then your body switches its metabolic gears and actually burns fat. But after you finish doing exercise, then your body actually does not burn fat. So to burn fat, if you are my regular viewer, then you already know that I always recommend to do high intensity interval workouts, as high intensity interval workouts actually help you burn fat after you do exercise, because it teaches your body to burn fat as fuel. You see, when you do high intense interval workouts, actually it helps you burn fat in your recovery period. So if you do 3 times a week high intense interval workouts, then you will be burning fat for the entire week, because it teaches your muscles, it teaches your body not to store fat, as you are not doing exercise for longer durations. You are doing exercise for short duration of the time, but you are actually demanding your body for most of its energy within that short periods of time. So these types of exercise, high intense interval workout, or in short HIIT exercise, actually teaches your body, train your body to burn fat for fuel. So if you combine high intense interval workout with ketosis, with keto diet, then you will get the best result. So if you are someone who are trying to burn fat with ketosis but you are failing to burn your fat, then I will highly recommend you to change your exercise program and try to include the high intense interval workout with your ketosis program. So friends, if you follow this video, then you will keep fit and you will keep away all the modern diseases, because this high intense interval workout actually activates the UCP1 gene, which actually helps your body to be in athletic form. So that's it. If you like the video, then please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.